My name is Yous Vallée. I'm president of Tolerie Mirabel in Quebec, Canada. Before I have the software, we have some issue with impacting the inventory, adjust the time. Some time we are late in 20 to 30 days to ship the invoice to the customer, and it's not good for the cash flow.
The main problem was the amount of wasted time. We do the same thing again and again. Inputting the same, data in multiple different fields, or still using old Excel spreadsheets because, it works, and there was no added value. Completely zero added value. It's just repetitive work, so it's a lot of wasted money.
MfG help us to have the list of everything what we need to build, and we sell everything too. I can take my brain to increase the business. Yeah.
It's really for the visibility. I can be on my desk and know how many orders are on the floor, what material I need to order, and it's really to make the job easier for everyone, because we work hard, but we like to play hard as well.
The rack or the stem, it's very quick information. We can have a good dashboard, and we can have a real picture of the sale and the profit. It's very fast.
I spend less time doing data entry, more time developing tools, so the whole team can have an easier and more efficient day. To me, it's completely a partnership. I don't feel like I'm just a subscriber. I'm a partner of a team, and the team is there to help and support.
I'm sure we can bring also things to the team here to maybe change something or learn other things that we have in Canada or on our side. So it's really a relationship, I think, that can go both ways, and it's also to learning. Everything's about learning as well.
In a way, I feel like we're both investing in each other also. So we're growing together and developing new solution tools and stuff like that. I feel like it's a mutually beneficial situation.